Air purifiers are advertised in a wide assortment, each with special highlights, benefits, and prices. I did a gigantic amount investigate, looked into a ton of surveys and drag up the list of best air purifier from dependable brands to help you in making a decision. After broad examination, I found these air purifiers to advantage people like you. If you're curious to memorize more about the cost and other data, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's observe the video. Number 1. Levoit Air Purifiers for Home 400S White. Levoit Center 400S is outlined for rooms up to 403 square feet. This discusses purifier employment 3-stage filtration innovation comprising of a pre-filter, genuine HEPA filter, and actuated carbon filter. In execution tests, the Center 400S made strides discuss quality by around 96% in a 320 square feet room within 60 minutes. Levoit Center 400S is 100% ozone-free and completely secure to use. Levoit gives a 2-year guarantee on this model. I just like the Levoit Center 400S since it has high-quality filtration innovation, long-lasting channels, tall wind stream, and numerous progressed options. I would like to point out that this show features an exceptionally high-quality filtration comprising of 3 stages. The primary range is an easy-to-clean nylon work pre-filter, where you may most often take note pet hair and comparable bigger particles. The genuine HEPA channel is the moment range of filtration. Usually the foremost significant range because it effectively helps combat pet hypersensitivities and dander. The ultimate range is the actuated charcoal channel which makes a difference to neutralize pet odors. In expansion to the high-quality filtration innovation, the Levoit Center 400S brags numerous progressed choices. I especially just like US quality sensor, quality pointer, auto mode, and savvy app choices. All these choices will make your day-by-day utilize of the gadget simpler, permitting you to robotize the discussed purifier to keep the quality of your room at the most elevated level. Another incredible and energizing include Levoit put into this gadget is voice control. You'll essentially conversation to the device and command it together with your voice. What I would moreover like to specify around this demonstrate are the exceptionally MU control utilization, the affordable channel cost, and the present-day plan. The Levoit Center 400S is the leading discussed purifier you'll purchase for pets. I am beyond any doubt it'll diminish pet hypersensitivities, pet dander, pet hide, and pet hair, as well as neutralize numerous other poisons. Number 2. Coway Airmega AP1512HH. The Coway AP1512HH covers rooms up to 360 square feet and has demonstrated perfect in marginally bigger rooms. It employments 4-stage filtration innovation, a launderable pre-filter, carbon channel, genuine HEPA channel, and ionizer. In execution tests, it moved forward quality by around 96% in fair 60 minutes at most extreme speed. Coway offers a 3-year guarantee on this demonstrate. The Coway AP1512HH is another fabulous quality discussed purifier that has made the list of the leading gadgets for pet proprietors. This purifier is outlined for spaces up to 360 square feet, employments 4-stage filtration, and has many progressed alternatives. I truly just like the launderable pre-filter, which is of metal development that productively stops pet hair and, best of all, is simple to wash and keep up. In expansion, I would like to point out the greatly high-quality genuine HEPA channel that Coway can brag around. Some clients may be irritated by the ionizer, but remember that this choice is turned off by default, meaning you don't got to utilize it on the off chance that you don't need to. In expansion, Coway is CARB certified, which implies it does not deliver illicit sums of ozone and is totally secure to utilize. Among the progressed choices on this demonstrate, I would highlight the quality sensor, the quality marker, the capacity to alter the sensor's effectability, and the unavoidable auto and eco modes. All in all, the Coway AP1512HH may be an incredible discussed purifier. Pet proprietors, in specific, will be upbeat with the buy. It neutralizes pet odors and evacuates pet dander, pet hair, and other pet allergens from the environment. Number 3. Alen Flex Air Purifier Quiet Airflow for large rooms. Alen Flex covers spaces up to 300 square feet and has worked exceptionally well in somewhat bigger rooms. In a 540 square feet room, Alen Flex made strides that discuss quality by an unimaginable 94%. This is often much appreciated to the high-quality 3-stage filtration technology. It does not require much power and employment's reasonable but tough filters. Alen offers the plausibility to actuate a liberal lifetime guarantee on this demonstrate. The Alen Flex may be a premium quality purifier, and it's certainly a high-quality gadget with filtration innovation that's fair remarkable. This purifier employments a 3-stage filtration innovation comprising of a pre-filter, a genuine HEPA channel, and an actuated carbon channel. This show is characterized by a high-quality carbon channel made of carbon pellets. The Alen Flex has the choice to purchase 3 distinctive channels, the contrast being the number of carbon pellets. For illustration, the foremost enormous carbon channel contains as much as 2+ pounds of carbon. Alen Flex has an fabulous present-day plan. The phenomenal plan permits this gadget to be put in nearly any environment. Much obliged to invoke multiple color alternatives, you'll truly play with it and choose the finest choice for your room. What I like almost the Alen Flex is that it's too exceptionally calm, so it can run at higher speeds without being prominent or making a part of commotion. What I would alter with this demonstrate is the need of a quality sensor pointer and the choice of an programmed mode. In quintessence, the Alen Flex could be an incredible purifier that has demonstrated itself best at neutralizing odors and pet hair and will moreover viably combat other issues caused by your pets. Nnmber 4. Honeywell HPA 300 HEPA Air Purifier for Extra-Large Rooms. The Honeywell 300 covers room up to 465 square feet. This air purifier employments a 3-stage filtration framework comprising of a pre-filter, carbon channel, and a genuine HEPA filter. This may be a moderate discuss purifier but with high-quality filtration. It is exceptionally successful for individuals who have issues with pet allergies. Honeywell offers a liberal 5-year guarantee on this show. What I buy and by like approximately this demonstrate is that it employments a whopping 3 genuine HEPA channels, making it one of the most excellent discuss purifiers you'll be able purchase for pet sensitivities. This demonstrate covers expansive spaces, looks old-fashioned, doesn't have numerous progressed alternatives, but is exceptionally productive and reliable. It is accessible in dark and white, which makes it simple to combine and fit into diverse situations. In any case, in case you have got a present-day room with best innovation gadgets like OLED TV and driven lights, putting Honeywell HPA 300 into that room may stand out. On the shinning side, on the off chance that you've got a retro room, this gadget will fit perfectly. I would prescribe the Honeywell HPA 300 to pet proprietors with issues with pet sensitivities. Number 5. Levoit Core P350 Best Budget Option. This air purifier covers spaces up to 219 square feet. The Levoit Center P350 benefits from a 3-stage filtration innovation comprising of a pre-filter, genuine HEPA channel, and enacted carbon filter. This Levoit employments exceptionally small power, is reasonable, and is certainly the most excellent budget purifier. Levoit gives a guarantee of to a long time on this show. In truth, in case you have met the Levoit Center 300, you're nearly completely commonplace with the P350, which has been updated for pets but has about the same highlights as its forerunner. This air purifier does not have numerous progressed alternatives or at least sufficient alternatives for typical everyday utilize. Of the choices, I am satisfied with the Pet Bolt, which can near the touch board from coincidental weight from your pet. The Levoit Center P350 benefits from a 3-in-1 channel comprising a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and enacted carbon channel. This Levoit may be a little discuss purifier that effectively finds its place in nearly any place in your home. Be that as it may, being little too implies this gadget isn't for huge rooms. You'll get to pick a bigger purifier for a huge room. Still, in the event that you need to utilize it on a work area, at that point that's a perfect spot with this small gadget. That way, you'll be able to continuously appreciate new air free from pet allergens when sitting at the desk.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.